Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Biozoology, Chapter 2, Kingdom Animalia. Animal kingdom is further divided into two groups based on the presence or absence of notochord as below. Non-chordate and chordate. Animals which do not possess notochord are called as invertebrates or non-chordates. Animals which possesses notochord or backbone are called as chordates. Now go to see the chapter non-chordates. Introduction. Non-chordates are animals without a notochord. A rod-like elastic structure which supports the body. Phylum Porifera to phylum Hemichordata are called non-chordates. Phylum Porifera sponges. Phylum Cnidaria examples jellyfish. Phylum Platyhelminthes examples flatworms. Phylum Aschelminthes examples roundworms. Phylum Annelida examples earthworms. Phylum Arthropoda example cockroach. Phylum Mollusca examples snail. Phylum Echinodermata example starfish. Phylum Ctenophora example Fluorobranchia. Phylum Hemichordata examples Belanoglasses. Characters of non-chordates invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that neither possess nor develop a vertebral column derived from the notochord. First phylum Porifera example sponges. Porifera examples sponges. Do you know that word porifera is derived from Greek words porous, force, fearing to fear, which means organism which fear pores or coal its body. Due to presence of holes all over the body, there is a canal system which helps in circulating water through the body to bring in food and oxygen. General characters, habit and habitat. The animals of phylum Porifera are sessile, marine except one group. They are commonly called as sponges. Habitat all aquatic, most marine, but a few live freshwater also. Example Spongilla. Sessile, which means sessile organism, which means they cannot move their fixed attached to the substratum. Symmetry, generally asymmetrical, but if you have radial symmetry. Asymmetrical, lack of equality or equivalence between parts. Level of organization, cellular level of organization, that means that cells not arrangement into tissues, the form of tissues in these organisms. Germ layers, diploplastic. They are diploplastic animals. Two germ layers present the ectodome and endodome. Ecto, outer layer, endo, inner layer. Body form may vary from cylindrical, vase-like or cup-shaped. Coelom, Acoelomata. These animals are multicellular. They have cellular level of body organization. Special features, presence of canal system. They have characters water canal system. Here water enters through the pores in body wall called astia into spongyla cavity and goes out through the terminal opening osculum. It helps in food gathering, respiration and excretion.